Hello, hi everyone. So we will discuss the one issue that is on the May 18th of the 2020, that is on the Monday. So that Nepal issued the new map including the some of the Indian territory in the Nepal. So what is the issue we'll discuss. So now see that woman is right holding the placard which is saying that India the respect the Nepal sovereignty. So what is Nepal sovereignty, why they are protesting. So these are the Nepali people protesting against the India. So and they are saying that respect the Nepal sovereignty, means Nepal's independence. Now we'll discuss entire issue in detailed manner. So now see here, this is the Uttarakhand state and this is the Pittorgarh district. So you need to write, clarify that this is the Pittorgarh district of the what Uttarakhand. This is the major Pittorgarh district, this spot. So this part of the whatever the, this part is the where the cursor is moving, and this part is sharing border with the what Nepal, this entirely. So here the Indian Nepal is there, and this is completely, this part is sharing border with the what Nepal. So this is the India Nepal border. How we decided this is the border between the India and Nepal? So one river will originate, that river is known as what, Kali river or Mahakali river. So this Mahakali river is flowing exactly border. So that is a Mahakali river is known as Mahakali river is the, so that is a border between the India and Nepal, Mahakali river. So east side of the this one, east side of the this is the Nepal, and west side of the this river is known as what, India. So that was a Mahakali river, so flows in this way, right? So this was a Pittorgarh district of the what, Uttarakhand state. Now let us see the map. This was the old map. This is the Pittorgarh district which shared the border with the what, Nepal. So now analyze the what new map and the so old map. Right, let's see here the, so this was the old map and this was a new map, this was a new map which was issued on the what, so May 18th of the 2020, and the new map and old map you can observe there. So here this whatever the insert here, this horn like structure, whatever the horn like structure is there, this was newly included in the so Nepal map, which is the originally part of the Indian territory. So this land belongs to the India. Now here see here, these are the, so that the horn like structure is not there. So here the horn-like structure is not there in the old map, and which was May 18th map, which was issued very recently. Here the horn-like structure is there in this map. This is the horn-like structure. Here there is no horn-like structure is there here, right? That is the only difference. So now what is this, the disputed area? Whatever the this horn-like structure is there, triangle. So this horn-like structure is there. So we will discuss that one. So new map. So that was a new map. So these are the Limpiadura. So Limpiadura and the Kalapani and the Lipu Lake. So this area is completely triangle area. This triangle area is a disputed area between the India and the what, Nepal. So this triangle. So whatever the triangle is there, this triangle is the so disputed area between the India and the Nepal. So why that this dispute came? So after the so many days, that was the only, so Nepal raised the this issue because of the only with the force of the what, China. So China is forcing the Nepal to trouble the India. So that's why. So there is a right, a link is going between them, so China and the Nepal. So again, right, so this was, I will explain this was, so first understand this diagram. Now what is the so original this one, see here the 1980 sorry 1816, so signed the treaty known as what, Sugali Treaty. Sugali Treaty signed between the Nepal and British identified Kali River as a Nepal's boundary with India. So Kali River or Mahakali River, both are same, Kali or Mahakali River. So Nepal claims to be that river to the Kalapani's west is the main Kali. So thus Nepal wanted territorial rights to it. India holds that so ridge line, so that Kalapani's east is the border and thus Kalapani falls within the territory. So now I will explain these two in a clear manner. So right now see is that, see here, this was a map in the 1827. 1827, so that was issued by the British authorities when at that time they are ruling in Nepal, the India. So now what is this area is known as what, Limpiadura. So Limpi, so Limpiadura. So this is a Limpiadura. So from the Limpiadura, and this was the origin of the what, Mahakali river. So the Limpiadura is the that is the origin of the Mahakali river, and this was again, this is the flow, whatever the cursor means, this is the flow of the what, Mahakali river. So this was a Mahakali river, this was a right completely flow, and this part is belongs to the what, Nepal, and this part also belongs to the what, Nepal, if it is the so Mahakali river origin, because I said the Kali river is as per the Sugali treaty. So that is a Kali river. See here the Sugali treaty, the Kali river was the western boundary, right? So to the state of the Nepal and the India. So at that time, right? Now if you observe this mark, Limpiadura is the birthplace of the what, so Kali river. So that is a Limpiadura, and in this way that is a Kali river is flowing, and this is completely what, so flow of the what Kali river. So then automatically this part west side of the river belongs to the what India, and this is completely what Nepal. So this was the map issued by the British authorities on February 1st of the 1827. But later, so British people are changed that one, because there is a doubt over the what origin of the what Mahakali river or Kali river. So far that is a dispute between the India and Nepal also is that one only. So actually where from this river is originating, we are saying that Mahakali river or Kali river is the boundary between the India and the what Nepal. But what is the actual source of the what this Mahakali river, whether is originating from the Lipu Lake, Limpiadura, or whether is originating from the what is any other place. Now later in the 1860s time, so that British authorities are changed that this is the not the origin of the what Mahakali river, and this is the Lipu Lake Pass. So if the Lipu Lake Pass is there, this Lipu Lake is a point where that this is the origin of the what Mahakali river. They are changed now. See here, this is initially they are said what this was the origin of the what Mahakali river, right? Later they are changed that this is the origin of the Mahakali river, right? So if the Lipu Lake is the origin of the Mahakali river, then automatically this area, this whatever this area is there, this area completely falls under the what Indian territory. If this is the Limpiadura is the birthplace of the Mahakali river, then automatically this area belongs to the what Nepal. If this is the birthplace of the river, and this area belongs to the what India, right? And this point is known as what Kalapani. This is the point known as what Kalapani area. So this is the Kalapani area, and this is the Lipu Lake area, and this is the Limpiadura. This is a triangle. So the triangle of the Limpiadura, Kalapani, and Lipu Lake. Limpiadura, Kalapani, Lipu Lake. This is a disputed area. That is a triangle from the what Lipu Lake to Limpiadura to Kalapani. This is the Kalapani area. So this is a point. So where we are having the Kalapani. So Kalapani, Lipu Lake, Limpiadura. So this triangle area is our disputed area between the India and Nepal. Nepal is saying that so Limpiadura is the birthplace of the Kali river. India is saying that so Lipu Lake is the birthplace of the what Kali river. Now, as for the Sugali Treaty 1860s, so that was a western boundary. So the proper boundary therefore depends upon the identifying the Kali source. Starting in the 1820, British producers identified the mainstream of the Kali river turning to the northwest deep mountains of the Sograbiang, heading towards the headwaters of the what Limpiadura, right? So that was, I said, that map, that is Limpiadura. So you see this map. So this was a map again. So 1865, around that time, that was again issued, the second map issued by the British authorities at that time. This was the originally, see that Limpiadura. So from the Limpiadura, that river is originating. This is the Kali river or Mahakali river, and this is the completely Limpiadura, right? So Kali river, and I said this was the Kalapani area. This whatever the red color, so clear visibility now Kalapani, and this is the what Lipu Lake, and this is the Limpiadura. So now, so in the 1860s, then the British authorities are changing that. So that is a, whatever the, this Limpiadura is there. So Limpiadura is not the birthplace of the Kali river, and they are stated that Lipu Lake Pass. So Lipu Lake Pass, this is the Lipu Lake Pass is the what. So this is the what. So completely the birthplace of the what Kali river, and this would be the boundary between the what. So India and the what this Nepal region. So this one, if this is the boundary between the India and the Nepal, and automatically this entire area belongs to the what. So this entire area belongs to India only. Now if this green line, this is the Limpiadura is the birthplace, then automatically this entire area, this complete entire area belongs to the what Nepal only. That was a dispute now, right? So now so far, so that is was right. This was a Lipu Lake is considered as a what, so birthplace of the what, so Kali river by the Indian, and the Nepal is claiming that Limpiadura is the only birthplace of the what, so Mahakali river, right? That was the only. But now that see some villages are there, Gunji, Navi, Kuti, which is Nepal is stated that they are considered their own. So now I will explain. So these are the Kuti village is there, Navi village is there, Gunju village, all these villages are there. Nepal is saying that all these villages are belongs to Nepal only. I said that Limpiadura, this is the Limpiadura flow, and this is from the what Lipu Lake flow. Limpiadura and the what Lipu Lake flow. If this is a Lipu Lake flow, then automatically this falls under that Indian territory. If you are considering this is a Limpiadura flow of the Mahakali river, so then automatically they all falls under what Nepal. So that is the Indian government recently submitted the documents that so this Kuti and the Navy and the what Gunj all belongs to the what India only. So all belongs to the what India only. So the documents are there with the government of India since long ago. So all they are submitting this year. The Gunj and Navy Kuti, which Nepal is stated consideration, a census was conducted in this area in the 1953, and parliamentary elections were held in the 1959. the land registration records here were kept in the Darchula district office. So the Darchula district office is the that is in the that is in Uttarakhand state. So that is the 1953 1959 elections were conducted. All these who are the people who are living in the Gunj village and Avi village and the Kuti village, all these land registrations are in the Darchula district office only, which means India submitted that long ago onwards. All these areas are there, all these areas are whatever the areas are there. So all these are belongs to the what India only, because they are submitted all the land registrations which were there from the 1953 onwards. So that was a disputed area now. So that was a major. Now why the Nepalese objected now? So recently why the Nepalese objected to raise the issue now means, and this is the Pittorgarh district. Already I said this was a Pittorgarh district. Already initially I explained the map. This was a completely Pittorgarh district, and this was a Nepal. So recently government of India opened the laid the foundation for the construction of the Manas Sarovar, Kailas Manas Sarovar route, Kailas Manas Sarovar route from the Darchula. This is the Darchula, and Darchula to the Lipu Lake, Darchula to the Lipu Lake region. So Darchula and Darchula to Thawaghat, Narayan Ashram and the Lipu Lake Pass are up to here. So they are constructed the highway. This highway 80 kilometers of the highway. These 80 kilometers of the highway is known as Kailas Manas Sarovar Highway. So in the May 2020, so the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is laid the foundation for it. So from the Lipu Lake Pass, so we are constructed the road from the Lipu Lake Pass, and again we will enter in China border, and from China to we will go to the Manas Sarovar. This was the route. So in order to reach the Manas Sarovar, we are constructing the road from the Lipu Lake Pass to the Darchula. From this is the Darchula to the Lipu Lake Pass, completely 80 kilometers. Now Nepal is saying that you are constructing this project in our territory. So that is Nepal is saying that you are constructing this project our territory. So that is this entire Lipu Lake, all this region, whatever this region is there, and this region is belongs to the Nepal. They are saying that, so that river is originating from the what? See, why their Nepal is claiming that area means. So see, once again see the carefully. So here we are constructing this. This is a Lipu Lake Pass, right? So this is the Lipu Lake Pass, and this is the Kalapan region. So here the completely we are constructing the what? So road in this way. We are constructing the Manas Sarovar highway. So Kailas Manas Sarovar highway in this way, right? So we highway this side we are constructing this side. So this side. Now originally, because India considering this is the boundary. So this is the boundary because this is the Kali river flow, then automatically this we are, if we are constructing in this area, then automatically that is belongs to the India only. But Nepal is claiming that, so this one is the flow of the Kali river, so then automatically, so it is belongs to the what? Nepal. If this one is the flow of the Kali river, and then this is belongs to Nepal, and this is belongs to what? India. If this is the flow of the Kali river, and this entire land is belongs to the what? Nepal only. Now Nepal is saying that if you are constructing the road here, and this is belongs to us, because they are considering this is the green line is the what? Limpiadura is the what? So from the this river is originating from the what? Limpiadura. So this river is originating from the what? Completely from Limpiadura. That is a Nepal argument. India argument is from the what? Lipu Lake Pass. So that was a dispute. So now here the please again listen carefully. So this how the cursor is moving here. If the cursor is moving in this direction, and this is completely part of the what? India only, because so far this was considered as a what? Boundary line between the what? India and the what? Nepal. So then automatically this entire land is belongs to what? India only. This river is not existent, but Nepal is saying that this was the original Kali river. So if this was the original Kali river, then automatically this entire area is belongs to the what? Nepal only. So based on that one, Nepal claiming that why you are constructing the what? Territory in that's highway in our land. So that's why, so that lady so is holding the what? So that flag is known as what? So not flag, so that placard. So that is a respect to the Nepal sovereignty. Why you are constructing the roads in the Nepal sovereignty? So that was the question so of that lady. So right, so that was the issue. So because of the Kailas Manas Sarovar highway, that issue again so surfaced again once again. So right, so exam purpose very important. So this was a link. So the Kailas Manas Sarovar route under the Border Roads Organization achieved the connectivity from Darchula Pittorgarh region of the to Lipu Lake Pass. The Lipu Lake Pass is our tri-corner between the India, Nepal and the China. So Lipu Lake Pass is the, so that going to complete by the 2022. So in this Lipu Lake Pass, whatever the Lipu Lake Pass is there, so here the, so it is, here it is the Nepal, here it is China, here it is the India. So that was our triangle between the India, Nepal and the China, Lipu Lake Pass, right? So Lipu Lake Pass is the India's origin of the Kali river, and the Nepal argument is what? Limpiadura is the what origin of the what? So Kali River. So now the question is that from actually we don't know the source of the Kali River. If the source of the Kali River is determined carefully, then automatically the boundary dispute will be solved.